Hello everyone, have you ever wondered why the shredded potato with hot and sour flavor at restaurants tastes so good and goes so well with rice? It turns out there are some tricks to making it. Let's follow the video and see how it's done. We're going to prepare 2 potatoes, peel them, and stir-fry them into shredded potatoes. Be sure to choose these yellow flesh potatoes. Shredded potatoes made from yellow flesh potatoes have a much crisper and tastier texture. After peeling, place the potatoes on the cutting board and make a few cuts. Then, turn the cut side down. This way, the potatoes won't slip while you're slicing them. Next, cut the potatoes into evenly thin slices. Then spread the potato slices out flat. Next, cut them into thin shreds. It's important to cut the potato shreds to an even thickness so they cook evenly and turn out crispier. If you're not confident in your knife skills, you can also use a grater to shred the potatoes. After cutting the potato shreds, place them in clean water. Next, thoroughly wash the potato shreds by hand to remove the starch. Rinse them several times until the water runs clear. This way, the stir-fried potato shreds won't be sticky and will taste crisp and delicious. Once cleaned, put the potato shreds back into clean water, just enough to cover them. Add a little white vinegar to prevent them from oxidizing and turning black. Then set it aside to soak. Next, prepare half a green pepper and cut it into thin strips. Cut half a red chili pepper into thin strips as well. After cutting, place them on a plate for later use. Prepare a few cloves of garlic, crush them, and then mince them finely. Once minced, put them on a plate. Take a handful of washed scallions and cut them into sections. After cutting, place them on a plate for later use. Prepare an appropriate amount of dried chili peppers and cut them into segments. After cutting, put them in a bowl and add an appropriate amount of water. Soak the dried chili peppers for a while. This way, they won't burn easily when stir-frying and will taste more fragrant. Bring water to a boil in the pot, add 5 grams of salt to enhance the base flavor. Add a little white vinegar to make the shredded potatoes crisper. Pour in the soaked shredded potatoes to blanch them. Blanch for about 30 seconds. Do not blanch for too long. Alright, drain the shredded potatoes. Next, add a little oil to the pan, and once it's hot, add a few Sichuan peppercorns. On low heat, fry the peppercorns until fragrant. Once the peppercorns are fragrant, remove them. Then add the dried chili peppers and minced garlic. Stir-fry until fragrant. After it's fragrant, add the shredded potatoes. Stir-fry a few times. Then add the shredded green and red peppers, turn the heat to high, and stir-fry until just cooked. Now for the seasoning, add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of chicken bouillon, a little light soy sauce and regular soy sauce. Continue to stir-fry over high heat, evenly mixing and bringing out the aroma and bok hei. Then drizzle aromatic vinegar around the pan's edge. Personally, I think using it makes it taste even better. Stir-fry evenly. Finally, add some chopped scallion segments. Stir-fry evenly to bring out the fragrance of the scallions. Once it's stir-fried, take it out of the pan and plate it. A delicious and appetizing dish of hot and sour shredded potatoes is ready. Made this way, the potatoes are especially crisp and refreshing. The tangy and spicy flavor is irresistible and goes perfectly with rice. It tastes even better than what you get at restaurants. If you like it, save this recipe and give it a try.